Now, what's your name?
My name is Ayush Yogesh Pandit and I am from Pune itself.
Speak a little bit like a lion. Literally, okay. 1, 2, 3, start. What's your name, bro?
My name is Ayush Yogesh Pardesi and I am from Pune itself. And I am pursuing computer engineering from Pune Institute of Computer Technology. And I am currently now past third year and I am in fourth year. This is my last year. Yeah, that's about myself.
Guys, he is the reason I'm feeling very, very confident, like a lion. He will gives me goosebumps. You see his voice, like very, very good.
Yeah.
So, what makes you like a very confident person?
See, my point of view is pretty clear that if someone is talking with me with the same intensity like you, like my friend, if he is talking with the same intensity, I will talk with the same intensity. So the confidence lies. I'm not that pretty confident, but for you, I don't know how much confident I am. But the thing is, confidence is somewhat like not caring about other people's because they will not feed you, they will not care about you. It's just a matter of time they will think about it that why this guy is running in the rain, why he is hitting push-ups and all. So I don't care about. I care only about my people, like my friend, my family, and my closer ones. So it's that point of view. So I am never ashamed of doing anything. Like if it is not wrong in the society, I am not ashamed of it. Yeah.
If it is wrong in the society, then fuck the society. I'm right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
You are also having the same mindset.
Yeah, because we belong to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about in today's world? If someone is confident, why it is that someone is not confident?
See, if he is not confident, if a person is not confident, the main reason lies in he might be taking considerations of other people's opinion. Although it is necessary to take others' opinion, but he must take positive opinions only. Why to demotivate ourselves? Why to take some opinions which will pull yourself down? So that's what I think that's the point he's really confident.
Okay. From the beginning, some people have the very, very normal state of confidence. Some people can speak in front of 1,000 people. Some people struggle that same thing. Okay. And not, I think, a lot of million Indians are struggling for that same thing. So for that million Indians, how like you guide them and what tips from you tell them to kill this mental illness?
See, a public speaker has spoken with himself in mirror thousands of times. So as Virat Kohli, my inspiration, said that practice those things 100 times so that there is a little margin of error. So for a public speaker, like I don't know the name of public speaker, but he might have practiced many millions of times. So that's why he is at that position. Like Virat Kohli only practiced cover drive, flicks and all his shots millions of times. So that's why he is not in that position that he is below someone else. So that's what I will give opinion to other people that whatever you want to achieve, practice it thousands of times.
So if we take in this way, for example, we are not nervous, we are not unconfident, we are not lazy, and we are not, like what people think. It's because of we are people, what people think of us, or we are bad. Okay, it's because of we just don't do practice 10,000 times. That's the reason why we are thinking our mind is insecure. What do you think about this? Like words sequence in this way.
Yeah, it's pretty structured sentence, but the bottom line is same that if you practiced, you will not fail. Even if you fail, it's a learning. Yeah, that's a well constructed statement, I guess. And I agree with that.
One more thing is that like instead of what if I get rejection and like the falling down of rejection, we are never try. We have to think like why we don't become the like fluent at rejection. Once you become fluent at rejection, your problem will automatically solve.
Yeah. So my point of view is that take rejection as opportunity. If you are rejected, that means you are less in something else.
Like for example, okay, a bird cannot falling down in the ground. How he is going to be fly?
Yeah.
Right? Humans are the same as birds. So I'm just telling them like become fluent at rejection. You are not rejection billionaire. That's why you are struggling with rejection. What do you think about this?
Yeah, I agree with it.
So what I do, bro, I go to every college student and in this younger generation to kill their, so-called of illusion. I post the only rejection videos. I get very brutal rejection. Let's do the acting right now. Just give me rejection. What is rejection? What is rejection? Tell the people what is rejection, bro.
Rejection is some people doesn't act but that. For example, you have set some expectations from someone and he doesn't behave with you the same. So that's what rejection is. Yeah, if he is not behaving up till your expectations, then that's the rejection.
Okay. As soon as I meet people, guys, I will tell him also. As soon as I meet people, I will think inside of my head. He is a man of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This land is belongs to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, right? So I will tell you only 2 rules. Okay, today 3 rules. To become mentally untouchable to every single one, I will tell you only 3 rules. First rule is only Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has the right to judge you from right now. Okay. And second rule is how many of these people are laughing at us or looking at us? Okay. Are doing 10,000 practice, 10,000 time practice, or if they're laughing at us, okay, before they are laughing at us. And third thing is very simple is that how many people who are laughing at us or thinking what people think of me are greater than Alexander the Great. What do you think about this 3 finger, like not 3 finger, but 3 strategy formula?
It's right, but the last point I didn't like to compare him with Alexander the Great. Why don't we compare with Porus?
Why not? Yeah,
Because, see,
why not?
Alexander was attacker, but the Porus was the defender of his land. So
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, bro, Porus. Yes, you can take example of Porus. The point is not exactly them. I'm just telling you that these people are not.
mindset is similar to Alexander the Great.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
So if we judge the people like this, we are like, what the fuck? I'm just following some shit people and I'm stop myself, you know. So the thing was become the confident person at any time, at any cost. So I tell people, you know, winning is not the choice. Confidence is not the choice. It's a responsibility.
Great step. Very good.
Because at the end of the day, you don't choose Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj choose you, right? So this is the land of him. So in his land, which right you are going to be get depressed?
There is no room for depression. For example, if you are keeping inspiration of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, there is no room for a depression.
If you choose, if you doubt on yourself, you doubt on his choice,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Because you are the
have
choice.
taken a birth in his hand.
Yes.
So why to? What did you say? Why to?
Why, if you doubt on yourself,
Yeah. Why to doubt on ourselves?
then you doubt directly on him, right?
It's not like we directly doubt on ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, and his decisions are wise. He is God for us. So yeah, that's all.
And you are the billionaire for me.
Thank you.
You are the reason I'm feeling very, very confident right now. So for the people who are actually struggling with this part, give them the motivation right now to kill their fear or their illusion, bro. Some people cannot take the vlog. If someone wants to start a vlog today, okay, they stop themselves for the last day, for example, dates. What do you give to them?
My opinion or my suggestion will be like don't care
Your
about
hands
the
is paining.
people.
His hands is paining. We stop here.